So let's take a look at if else condition in Apex using your Salesforce Dev Console. So first thing, make sure to log into developer dashboard and then open your developer console, and here we are going to open anonymous execution window from debug menu. Okay, so let's let it load, and once loaded, go to debug, then open execute anonymous window. Remove any existing code that you have. Now here we will add integer, and let's name this my integer. Set some value for it, let's say 4. Now we will use if then my integer is greater than 2, then output system.debug as value is greater than 2. Make sure to end it with semicolon, and in else, which may not execute, you can add system.debug value is less than 2. Make sure to add semicolon again. Now click on execute button, and in logs we have to find user debug value. So in event you can see user debug, and you see value is greater than 2. That goes to show you that our code which says integer value greater than 2 in if condition executed perfectly. Okay, so you get the idea how to use if else condition in Apex.